So now we are going to discuss about, hello, please mute, sums and DNA. So the given question is, what is the number of nucleotides present in a dsDNA with a 340 angstrom length? So how to calculate this one? So required formula required is so length of the DNA, given length of DNA, given length of DNA divided by length of one coil, length of one coil, multiplied with, overall multiplied with the number of, hello, please
So
mute.
you have given this yesterday, sir.
Yeah, I know. Check, please. I know. Number of, no, I'll change it, please. Swagat, give me some time. Nucleotides per coil. Okay, right? So given length of DNA by length of one coil into number of nucleotides per coil. So if we simplify this one, length of DNA 340 angstroms divided by length of one coil is 34 angstroms into per coil 20 nucleotides. So yesterday we got 200 nucleotides. Okay, so now we are going to cross check it. See, what about the total number of nucleotides? 200. For example, this is the DNA molecule we selected. Its length is 340 angstroms. For example, 5 and 3 and 3 and 500. How many nucleotides? 200. Take 100 here, 100 here. 1:1 ratio. Okay, so now 100 into 3.4 angstroms. How much? 340 angstroms. 340 angstroms. Swagat, now you got it? Swagat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why I gave like this? See, number of nucleotides present in one strand 100 into the distance between two successive base pairs. You will get a 340 angstroms length. Okay, that's why I gave today. Okay, any objection regarding this question? Okay, right? Yeah, once again, see, what is the number of nucleotides present in a dsDNA with 340 angstroms length? Length of DNA given in angstroms. Okay. What they are asking, what about the total number of nucleotides present in that DNA molecule? For that one, formula required is given length of DNA, how much given? 340 divided by length of one coil, how much? 34 angstroms, length of one coil. And per coil, how many nucleotides? 20. You will get a 200. Cross check it. Say this is the DNA molecule. Strand 1, strand 2, polynucleotide strand 1, 2. How many nucleotides? 200. 200 divided by 2. Per strand, how many? 100. So 100 into means total number of nucleotides present in one strand into the distance between two successive base pairs is 3.4 angstroms. 340 means what we did is 100% correct. Yes, Swagat? Rest of the students. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. Any objection?
No, sir.
No,
Right.
sir.
Now I'm erasing the board. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, one more sum. Wait. I will give you one more sum. I will give you 50 or 100 sums. Don't worry. Okay, next one, second one. For example, dsDNA, double stranded DNA. In a dsDNA, thousand nucleotides are present. Yesterday I gave you 1000 nucleotides are present. Okay, so in a dsDNA, total number of nucleotides 1000. Now, in that DNA molecule, what about the length of the DNA? What is the length of DNA in angstroms? First, learn angstroms. Length of DNA in angstroms. See how to calculate this one. So, how many strands? 2 strands given. Each strand with half of the nucleotides. Both are having equal number of nucleotides. So divide that 1000 by 2 strands. Each strand is with 500 nucleotides. 500 nucleotides. 500 nucleotides. Altogether 1000 nucleotides. What they're asking, length of the DNA. Length means towards one side. So simply for this one, number of so many formula required. What about the formula? First one, number of nucleotides in one strand of DNA into multiplied with distance between two successive base pairs. That is the formula enough for this one. Okay. So what is that one? Number of nucleotides in one strand. How many? 500. So 500 in one strand. Distance between two successive base pairs. How much in angstroms?
3.4 angstroms.
Yes. Simplify it. You will get the length of the DNA. That is one method. Any objection regarding this one?
1700 angstroms.
Yeah, 1700. And one more I will give you. Okay, so what about the total number of nucleotides? 1000. Second formula, number of, second one, number of nucleotides in DNA. In DNA. Okay, divided by. Okay, total number of nucleotides present in DNA divided by number of nucleotides in one coil multiplied with length of one coil. Length of one coil. Is it working? Check it. See, what about the number of nucleotides present in DNA? So simplify it. 1000 given or not? 1000 divided by number of nucleotides per coil. How many? 20. And the length of one coil. 34 angstrom. Check it. Is it correct or not? Is it correct or not? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting 1700 or not? If it is not 1700, wrong. Definitely 1700. No doubt. If you simplify it.
Yes, sir. 1700.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Okay, one more formula also available, but not now. You may get confused. I will tell you later. Okay, these two enough for that question. Now take it, please. Copy it.
Hello.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I need erasing. How to erase it? Okay, now I'm erasing the board. Okay, next, third one. Gradually, I will complicate the question. First, learn the basic. Okay, next. Length of dsDNA. Length of dsDNA is okay, 680 angstroms. 680 angstroms. The question is, what is the number of coils or pitches coils in it? So length of DNA given. What they are expecting from us? Number of coils in it. Anybody able to do it? Okay, formula for this one. Okay, so formula for this one.
20, sir.
Entama, endostnai?
20.
Yes,
20
you are
coils.
correct. Yeah, exactly correct. So for this one formula, all of you listen to me. Given length of DNA. So given length of DNA simply divided by length of one coil. Okay, so given length of DNA 680 angstroms divided by length of one coil 34 angstroms. Okay, simplify it. How many coils? What is the value?
20, sir.
20, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ కి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ న్యూక్లియోటైడ్స్ కనుక్కోండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
Number of nucleotides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many? Yeah. How many coils you got? 20 coils.
20.
20
Into
into 20. That is the answer.
400.
Yes, 400.
ఓకే సార్.
Next, fourth one. Okay. Next. Length of dsDNA. Okay. Here I'm taking 340 angstroms to make the sum easy. You should understand the concept. Length of dsDNA 340 angstroms. Okay. What is the number of adenine molecules present in the DNA in that DNA Okay, if the percentage of guanine, simple I am giving guanine is 25. Okay, simple I give. Anybody?
$25, sir. 25%.
No, guanine is 25. Yeah, number I am asking. Number. You are correct. 25% is correct. Swagat.
Okay, sir.
So this is correct. Swagat.
The 50, sir. 50 adenine molecules.
Yes, 50 is correct. Hello?
Sir.
50 is correct. Percentage 25 and total number is 50. You are correct. Okay. So how to calculate this? Simple thing. According to Chargaff. Now take Chargaff rule. What is Chargaff rule? If you know Chargaff rule, according to Chargaff, purines versus pyrimidines, they exist in 1:1 ratio. 1:1 ratio. So here percentage of guanine is given. So if guanine is 25%, cytosinols, allow please mute. Cytosine also 25%. Hello, please mute. Please mute. Hey, please mute. Please mute. Please mute it. Please mute. Hey, who is that fellow?
Puneet.
So guanine percentage 25 means cytosine also 25%. Okay, so remaining 100 divided by 2, 25 remaining. So thymine also, sorry, 50 divided by 2, sorry. Thymine also 25%. Okay, A also, adenine also 25. So 25% in the case of adenine given. So 25 compulsory T. So 50% complete. Remaining 50% shared by these two according to Chargaff, 1:1 ratio. Okay, so 1:1 ratio. Or if you don't know this one, simply do this calculation. See, 340 divided by. So length of DNA given. So 340 divided by length of one coil, 34 into 20. How many nucleotides? 200. Okay. So according to given percentage, A number, A 25% means how many possible? 25% means per 100, 25. 200s are there. So 2 into 25. So its number is 50. A number is 50. T number also 50. Okay. G number also 50. C number also 50. Even without this one, according to 25%, 1:1 ratio. According to given question, A, T, G, C. A is given 1%, for example. T also 1. So purine, pyrimidine 1:1. They are also in 1:1 ratio according to given percentage. Okay. Is it clear? Any objection? Okay. Copy it. Okay. Right. Again, I will give you, don't worry. First copy this one. By doing a number of sums, you can command the so-called one. Copy it first. No problem. Copy it first. Okay. Now I am erasing the board. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Wait. I will give you same model. I will give you same model, but change in length and percentage. I give you simplest one. Next, I will complicate it. Okay. Now fourth one. Length of DS DNA. How much? 510. Is it working? 510. Wait. Wait. Okay, length of DNA. I will take a same length, 680 angstroms. And the percentage of guanine is 15%. Length of dsDNA 680 angstroms. Percentage of guanine 15. So question is what is the number of adenine molecules? What about the number of adenine molecules? Anybody able to answer this question? Swagat. Hello? Are you getting my voice?
Sir, 70, sir.
How much?
Yeah,
How much you got, Swagat?
70, sir.
70. Okay. So how to resolve this question? 680
60.
length of
60.
wait. 680 divided by, that is the length of DNA. Decide the number of nucleotides first. So 680 divided by length of one coil 34 into 20 nucleotides. How many nucleotides you got? 400 or not? Swagat.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
400. 400 nucleotides. Take that 400 here. So how many hundreds are there? 4. Simply I'm doing. Okay. So guanine number. So first take guanine. How much percentage? Guanine is 15%. So according that, how many hundreds? 4. 4 into 15. How many? 4 into 15.
60, sir.
60. Okay.
60,
Next.
sir.
Yeah. C also 15% only. C number also 400. 4 into 15. 60. Okay, 120. Or you continue it, no problem. So 15, 30%. Remaining percentage how much? 70%?
70%.
70.
Yeah, 70. Yeah. A and T. 70 divided by 2. 70 divided by 2.
35.
30, yeah, 35%. 35%. So 4 into 35. 4 into 35. How much?
140.
140?
140, sir.
Sure. Yeah, 140. Now calculate all 100, 200, 300, 400. Yes. What they're asking? Adenine. So adenine number we got it. So adenine is 140. Who got 140? 140 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear? Right? Any objection?
No, sir.
Is it clear? And we will do so many sums. Don't worry. I will give you 100 of sums like this. These are very simplest. Tomorrow we'll calculate number of hydrogen bonds, number of ester bonds, and number of glycosidic bonds. Like that we will do. Gradually I will complicate it. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay.
Today enough. Today enough. Tomorrow again DNA sums. I will continue DNA sums for 3 or 4 periods. No problem. Command it perfectly. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I'm stopping. Yeah. Speak, no problem. Tomorrow we will meet.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm stopping here. Today enough. Okay? Bye. See you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. See you.